Imagine standing in your hometown of Jaipur or Lucknow, picturing yourself in a finance role at Reliance Jio, Tata Motors, or Mahindra, shaping India's biggest companies. That dream is closer than you think. In 2025, these firms are offering over 3,800 finance positions. Reliance posted 700 plus openings last year, and Tata Group hired 1,200 finance professionals. I've spoken with recruiters from these companies and collaborated with Imarticus Learning's career experts to create a clear, detailed guide plan to help you succeed whether you're a commerce graduate in Patna or transitioning career in Mumbai. This video is your roadmap to turn ambition into reality. Let's get started. With over 3,800 finance positions open at India's top companies in 2025, Mahindra Finance listed 350 plus roles and Aditya Birla Capital hired across 1,482 branches. The opportunities are vast. Let's explore the key roles you can target to find your fit. Financial Planning and Analysis (FP&A), 1,100 openings. Development budgets and forecasts like planning Reliance retail store opening in cities like Nagpur. Corporate Accounting, 900 openings. Manage journal entries and ensure Indian accounting standards, IFRS compliance, keeping Tata Steel's financial record audit ready. Business/commercial finance, 600 openings. Collaborate with operations like pricing Mahindra's electric XUV 700 or optimizing Adani's logistic costs. Treasury, 300 openings. Oversee cash flow, securing loans from Reliance Jio 5G expansion or investing in Wipro's reserve. Internal Audit and Risk, 400 openings. Audit Infosys global IT contracts or assess risks for Tata Power's renewable energy projects. Tax Analyst, 250 openings. Navigate GST and corporate taxes for Aditya Birla Capital Financial Services. Financial Risk Manager, 150 openings. Analyze current risks for Tata Motors Export. Imarticus Learning FRM certification course prepares you for this. Investor Relations, 100 opening. Communicate financial performance to shareholders like briefing analyst on HCL's quarterly result. Cost Accountant, 350 openings. Optimize costs like tracking raw material expenses for Tata Chemical Production. Financial Controller, 200 openings. Oversee financial reporting for Mahindra's 59,000 employees operations. Compliance Officer, 250 openings. Ensure RBI compliance for Reliance Capital Financial Services. Corporate Finance Analyst, 200 openings. Support merger and acquisitions like equivalent deals for Reliance Industries growth. Budget Analyst, 150 openings. Create budgets for Tata Power's solar energy initiative. Financial Data Analyst, 100 openings. Use data analytics to track Reliance retail sales trends. Mergers and Acquisition Analysts, 50 openings. Analyze deals like Tata Group's acquisition of Air India. Revenue Analyst, 100 opening. Optimize revenue streams like analyzing JioMart's subscription model. Financial Reporting Analyst, 100 openings. Prepare reports for stakeholders like summarizing Aditya Birla Capital's NBFC performance. These roles fuel India's economic giants, and Imarticus Learning's postgraduate program in financial analysis can equip you with skills for FP&A, business finance, or data analyst positions using real-world Indian case studies. What these companies look for. I consulted recruiters from Reliance, Tata, Mahindra, and Aditya Birla Capital to uncover what secures one of these 3,800 plus roles. Here's what they prioritize. Core finance knowledge. You need a strong grasp of accounting, profit and loss statement, balance sheets, budgeting, and cost control. Can you explain why Reliance Jio operating profit grew 15% in Q3 in 2024? Or calculate working capital for Tata Motors electric vehicle export? Imarticus Learning's Association of Chartered Certified Accountant ACCA program teaches Indian accounting standards and global practices. Modern skills and tools. Excel mastery, pivot table, VLOOKUP, macros is essential. Recruiters also seek data analytics expertise. Tools like Power BI and Tableau are critical for visualizing trends, such as Mahindra's finance loan portfolio growth. Python for automation and SQL for data queries are highly valued, while ERP systems like SAP FICO or Oracle Financials are vital. Aditya Birla Capital's 1,482 branches depend on them. Imarticus Learning's postgraduate program in data science and analytics covers Power BI and SQL for financial data analyst or revenue analyst roles. Business understanding. You must link financial data to strategy. Could you propose cost reduction for Tata Steel during a global steel price decline? Or streamline Mahindra's electric vehicle supply chain? Recruiters seek strategic thinkers. Consistency and initiative. Frequent job changes raise concerns. Show dedication through internship or projects. A Reliance recruiter shared a candidate from a college in Bhopal who built a Power BI dashboard or earned a CMA outperformed others with no initiative. Imarticus Learning Certified Management Accountant (CMA) program provides globally recognized credentials. Communication and adaptability. Can you present a budget to Wipro's technology team or explain GST to a retailer in Surat? Recruiters test these skills in interviews. Recruiters Insight. A Mahindra Finance recruiter hired a revenue analyst who used Python to optimize JioMart's pricing strategy as a college project, proving they are ready for modern finance role. With 3,800 plus finance positions available at India's leading companies, here's a clear plan to prepare whether you are a commerce graduate in Patna or transitioning career in Hyderabad. Develop core and modern skills. Master Excels for dashboard, pivot tables, and financial models like discounted cash flow analysis for Tata Motors electric vehicle. Learn Power BI or Tableau to visualize data such as Reliance retail sales growth. Gain familiarity with Python for automation, SQL for data queries, and SAP FICO or Oracle Financials for ERP systems. Critical for Aditya Birla Capital's operations, Imarticus Learning's postgraduate program in financial analysis provides hands-on training with these tools using cases like Mahindra's budgeting. Gain practical experience. Internship, even at a small firm, are invaluable. A Tata Group analyst started as a chartered accounting firm in Coimbatore, learning Tally and SAP FICO, which secured their role. No internship? Create projects. Develop a budget for a fictional retail store in Indore or analyze Reliance Jio's Q3 financials from their public annual report. Highlight these in interviews to demonstrate initiative. Pursue certifications. Credentials like ACCA, CMA, or CFA signal dedication. Imarticus Learning's ACCA and CMA programs cover Indian accounting standards, GST, and cost accounting for compliance officer or cost accountant roles. The CFA program focuses on analytics for FP&A or mergers and acquisition analyst roles. For risk-focused roles, Imarticus FRM certification course is ideal. A Wipro recruiter noted, a CMA or CFA level 1 increases interview chances by 80%. Network efficiently. Use LinkedIn to connect with professionals, search revenue analyst at Tata Group or FPA at Infosys and send them messages like, I am a finance aspirant from Pune, inspired by your work at Aditya Birla Capital. Could you share advice for tax analyst roles? Focus on learning, not job requests. Imarticus Learning's career services link you with industry mentors from top firms. Practical advice. Attend free webinars hosted by organizations like CFO India or FICCI, where Reliance or Tata professionals discuss GST or mergers and acquisitions. Reference a webinar or compliance for Mahindra's finance in interviews to show industry knowledge. With 3,800 plus finance positions available, here's how to excel in your application and interview. Create a targeted resume. Generic resumes are overlooked. For FP&A at Reliance Retail, highlight developed a Power BI dashboard for retail sales trends. For mergers and acquisitions analyst at Tata Group, mentioned analyzed financial for Air India's acquisition. Aditya Birla Capital recruiters value resumes showcasing tools like SAP FICO or Tableau. Imarticus Learning's career services can help you design a resume that stands out. Excel in interviews. Prepare for technical questions like, how does working capital affect Infosys cash flow? How would you optimize costs for Mahindra's electric vehicle battery production? Or explain GST impact on Reliance Jio 5G services. Use the STAR method. Situation, task, action, result. Example. In a college project, I analyzed Reliance Jio's financials to improve margin, created a Tableau dashboard identifying rupees 5 lakhs in saving and presented it to my professor. Highlight modern skills. Emphasize Power BI, Python, SQL or Oracle Financials. A Mahindra Finance recruiter said, a financial reporting analyst who used Python to automate reporting stood out for their forward-thinking approach. Imarticus Learning's postgraduate program in data science and analytics teaches these tools with practical cases. Avoid common mistakes. Don't struggle with basics like operating profit, Indian accounting standards, or GST. Practice explaining them as if to a friend in Bhopal. Preparing for behavioral questions like how do you manage tight deadlines, with examples from internship or college events. Practical advice. Record yourself answering. Why financial data analyst? To refine your delivery, Imarticus mock interview sessions can prepare you for challenging questions like these. Final words and motivation. Envision yourself at Tata Motors, driving financial strategies for India's electric vehicle revolution, or at Reliance Jio, fueling the nation's 5G growth. Those 3,800 plus finance positions at Reliance, Tata, Mahindra, and other leading companies are opportunities for you to make an impact. Success isn't about your college, it's about your skills, dedication, and unique story. Take action now. Choose one step to start this week. Create a Tableau dashboard, analyze Tata Steel's financials, or connect with a recruiter on LinkedIn. Imarticus learnings courses such as the postgraduate program in financial analysis, CFA, CMA, or ACCA can equip you with the tools like Power BI and SAP FICO to excel. If this guide inspired you, please like the video and subscribe to Imarticus Learning for more career insights, and share in the comments which role excites you the most, FP&A, revenue analyst, or financial controller. Your journey starts here. Let's achieve it together.